Viewers, have you ever imagined floating in the middle of space and suddenly coming across a massive ocean? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But what if I told you that scientists have actually discovered real oceans beyond Earth, hidden beneath frozen surfaces, and even floating freely in space? Yes, you heard that right. Oceans in space are real, and they might hold secrets we never even dreamed of. Some of them could even have alien life. Stay with me, because what you're about to hear will change the way you think about space forever. Viewers, do you know how important water is for life? Here on Earth, oceans cover more than 70% of our planet. They are home to millions of species and play a huge role in our weather, climate, and even the air we breathe. But what if I told you that scientists have discovered gigantic oceans beyond Earth, floating in the universe, far beyond what we can see? Not just tiny drops, not just frozen ice, but massive water reservoirs, bigger than all the water on Earth combined. Now, you might be wondering, where exactly are these space oceans? Well, let's start close to home. Our very own solar system has several places with hidden oceans. Take Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. It looks like an icy ball from the outside, but beneath that frozen surface, there's a massive ocean. And guess what? Scientists believe this ocean might have more water than all of Earth's oceans put together. Imagine an entire world covered in ice, but underneath, deep in the darkness, there could be alien life swimming around right now. Isn't that amazing? And it doesn't stop there, viewers. Another place in our solar system with an ocean is Enceladus, one of Saturn's moons. This tiny moon is shooting water into space. Yes, you heard that right. Scientists have seen giant plumes of water vapor bursting from cracks in the surface of Enceladus. It's like a space geyser, spraying water thousands of miles into space. And do you know what that means? It means there's an ocean hidden beneath its icy shell, just like Europa. Some scientists even believe that if we send a spacecraft through those water plumes, we might find evidence of life. Imagine finding alien fish or strange creatures swimming in a moon's ocean billions of miles away. But wait, viewers, do you know that the biggest ocean in space isn't on a moon or a planet? It's floating in the middle of space, completely free. Scientists have discovered a giant cloud of water vapor around a black hole, and it's 140 trillion times the amount of water in all of Earth's oceans combined. Yes, trillion. That's the biggest amount of water ever found in the universe. But how is that even possible? Well, this cloud of water is surrounding a supermassive black hole, a monster that's millions of times heavier than our sun. The heat from the black hole is turning the surrounding gas into vapor, creating a massive cosmic ocean in space. It's the largest and farthest water reservoir ever found. Viewers, can you even imagine that much water floating in the universe? It's beyond anything we could ever dream of. Now, you might be wondering, if there's so much water in space, why don't we see oceans like the ones on Earth? Well, the problem is that most of this water is either frozen solid or in the form of vapor. The conditions needed for liquid water to exist, like the right temperature and pressure, are very rare in space. But that's exactly why the discovery of water on Europa, Enceladus, and other moons is so exciting. It means there could be places in the universe where life can survive, just like here on Earth. Speaking of hidden oceans, let's talk about Ganymede, Jupiter's largest moon. It is the biggest moon in our solar system, even larger than Mercury. And guess what? Scientists have confirmed that it has a huge underground ocean, buried deep beneath its icy surface. And here's a fun fact, this ocean might be 100 kilometers deep. That's 10 times deeper than the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of Earth's ocean. Just imagine how much water is trapped inside this giant moon. But viewers, Did you know that Neptune and Uranus, the two ice giants in our solar system, might also have something even stranger? Scientists believe these planets could have oceans of liquid diamonds. Yes, you heard that right. Rivers, lakes, and even oceans made of liquid diamonds. The intense pressure inside these planets is so high that carbon atoms turn into diamonds and melt into a shiny, metallic liquid. Imagine a whole ocean where instead of water, you have sparkling, glowing, molten diamonds. It sounds like something out of a fairy tale, but in space, it might actually be real. Now, let's take things even further. Do you know that exoplanets, planets that orbit other stars, might have entire surfaces covered in oceans? Scientists have found planets that are completely covered in water, with no land at all. These are called ocean worlds. Some of them might even have hot, steamy atmospheres, where the sky is filled with water vapor, and the ocean below is deeper than anything we can imagine. One such planet is Kepler-22b, a planet in the habitable zone of its star, where temperatures are just right for liquid water. If this planet has an ocean, it could be home to alien life. But viewers, do you know what's even more mind-blowing? There might be planets where it rains glass, metal, or even lava. Yes, in some extreme exoplanets, the temperatures and winds are so intense that instead of raindrops, the sky rains molten glass, traveling at thousands of miles per hour. Can you imagine living on a planet where sharp glass falls from the sky like a deadly storm? That's the reality of some distant worlds out there in the universe. So, viewers, what does all of this tell us? It tells us that water is everywhere in the universe. Even though Earth is the only planet we know of with oceans full of life, there are hidden seas, massive ice-covered lakes, and even giant floating clouds of water spread across the universe. The more we discover, the more we realize that space isn't just empty darkness, it's filled with the elements that could support life. And here's something exciting. NASA and other space agencies are already planning missions to explore these ocean worlds. In the next few decades, we might send robotic submarines to dive into Europa's ocean, drill into Enceladus, and fly through the giant plumes of water shooting from these moons. Who knows? The first discovery of alien life might not come from another planet. It might come from an ocean hiding beneath an icy moon in our own solar system. So, viewers, what do you think? Do you believe there could be life in these space oceans? Could there be alien fish, strange jellyfish, or even creatures we can't even imagine living in these distant waters? The universe is full of surprises, and the more we explore, the more we realize that Earth is not alone when it comes to having oceans. Thanks for joining me on this thrilling journey through the oceans of space. If you found this amazing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an exciting discovery. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Who knows what mysteries we'll uncover next? Until then, keep wondering, because space is full of secrets waiting to be explored.